We need to show that log of n with the base of a divided by log of n with the base of ab, that's the same as 1 plus log of a with the base of b. So let's begin from the left hand side. We have log of n with the base of a. We will use a property here. Whenever we have log of a with the base of b, this can be also represented as log of a divided by log of b, provided both of them have the same base. So that means we have log of n divided by log of a, and this is divided by our denominator, which is log of n divided by log of a b. Now we can multiply them, so this will give us log of n divided by log of a multiplied to log of ab divided by log of n. So here log of n and log of n will go away, so we have log of ab divided by log of a. We can again use this definition to rewrite it as log of ab with the base of a. Now we'll use the property that if we have log of a times b, so this is the same as log of a plus log of b. So we can expand this to get log of a with the base of a plus log of b with the base of a. And we know that log of a with the base of a, this by definition is 1. So this gives us 1 plus log of b with the base of a, which is the right hand side. Hence proved.